for the contest. I have put in the video. I'm filtering the duplicate comments. Get YouTube comments. There's 147 unique comments. So we want to go over to the other side of the page here. Oh, Lordy, are you kidding me? Oh, fudge. You gotta be kidding. Oh, there we go. Nope, that's not it. Oh man, I don't know. I am like so bad at computers. Channel videos. Nope, that's not it. And that's not it. Nope. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm gonna start it right now because I got it in there. Everything's good. So here we go. It's not doing anything. Oh, wait a minute. What's the dictionary doing here? Why is there a dictionary here? Lorraine Cook! Lorraine Cook, you have won second prize. If you want to go on to gcfluidart@gmail.com, you can reach me there. Okay, this is the first prize winner. Are we ready? Mama Doulas! All right, Mama, you won the big painting. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. All right, so Mama, you just go ahead and email me at gcfluidart@gmail.com and give me your deets, and we will set you up with that painting. And congratulations, you guys. Thank you so much, everyone. I am so grateful. Grateful creations, you know. I'm grateful every day for everything I have, and I'm grateful for you guys being here and supporting me in my journey and allowing me to share some of the things that I've picked up along the way. And it gives me a lot of pleasure, you know, to share what I've got. So yeah, congratulations to the winners. I'll talk to you soon. Guys, I forgot there was a third prize. The third prize is a jar of DecoArt satin enamel. So I'm gonna pick one more winner, and this is the third prize. Sorry, I'm going in backwards order. Second, first, third. Here we go. Sorry about that. Here is for the satin enamels. And here we go. Christine Robinson. Christine Robinson, you have won a jar of satin enamels, and I'll send my recipe along with it. All right, so that's it. That's all. Going to bed now. Thanks, everybody. I'm not actually going to bed. I'm probably going to go paint. All right, guys. So Christine Robinson, Mama Doulas, and I'll see you guys later.